You've made it to a moment that's just for you, to slow down, to take a deep breath, and to reconnect with the simple beauty of gratitude. So take your time, get cozy in a position that feels good to you. Just let your body feel supported and at ease. Let your hands rest gently, and if you feel safe, gently close your eyes. Now take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale slowly and release through your mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply and exhale gently. With each breath, begin to let go. Let go of the rush. Let go of the noise. Let go of anything that's not needed here. Feel your body arriving in this moment, held, supported, safe. Bring your attention to your breath. Just notice its rhythm, the rise and the fall. There's nothing to fix, nothing to force, only to feel. Let your awareness gently scan your body now, starting at the top of your head, down through your neck and shoulders, your arms, chest, belly, hips, legs, all the way to your feet. If you notice tension, that's okay. Breathe into that space and let the exhale soften it. With each breath, you are creating more space inside, more presence, more openness. I invite you to bring to mind something you are grateful for today. Let it be something simple. Maybe it's the warmth of your blanket this morning, the first sip of coffee, the sound of laughter, or just this quiet moment with yourself. Feel that gratitude in your chest. Let it warm you from the inside out. Now, think of something you often take for granted. Your breath, your body's strength, fresh air, sunlight, the kindness of a stranger. These everyday blessings are gifts that hold more value than we often realize. Feel them, appreciate them, let them fill you up. Repeat these words silently. I am grateful for this day. I choose to see the good. I welcome joy and peace. My life is full of small blessings. Let these words sink in. Let them nourish your heart. Let them shift the way you feel from within. Gratitude isn't just a feeling, it's a way of seeing. Start gently shifting your attention back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes a little. And if it feels good, give your shoulders a slow, easy roll. Take one last, nourishing breath in and a slow, steady breath out. When you're ready, softly open your eyes. Carry this feeling of gratitude with you into the rest of your day. And remember, even in the smallest moments, there's always something to be thankful for. You've just gifted yourself presence, and that is everything.